Application. In this section, we shall apply the surface areas and volumes of solids in combination of different solids. Example, a circus tent is a combination of cylindrical base with conical roof. A test tube is a combination of a cylinder and a hemisphere, etc. Let us solve few examples. Example 1. A circus tent is cylindrical up to a height of 3.3 meters and conical above it. If the diameter of the base is 100 meters and slant height of the conical part is 56.4 meters, find the total canvas used in making the tent. Given, for the cylindrical part, diameter is 100 meters, that is radius is equal to 100 upon 2 is equal to 50 meters and height is equal to 3.3. For the conical part, diameter is same as the cylindrical part, so radius is equal to 50 meters and slant height is equal to 56.4 meters. To find total canvas used in making tent. Solution. Total canvas used in making tent is equal to curved surface of the cylindrical part plus curved surface area of the conical part is equal to 2 into pi into r into h plus pi into r into L is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 50 into 3.3 plus 22 upon 7 into 50 into 56.4 is equal to 22 upon 7 into 50 into in bracket 6.6 plus 56.4 is equal to 22 upon 7 into 50 into 63 is equal to 9900. Therefore, the total canvas used in making the tent is 9900 meters square. Example 2. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeters. It is melted and drawn into a wire having diameter of cross-section as 0.2 centimeters. Find the length of the wire. Given, diameter of metallic sphere is equal to 6 centimeters. Therefore, radius of the sphere R1 is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3 centimeters. Also, diameter of the cylindrical wire is equal to 0.2 centimeters. Therefore, radius of cylindrical wire R2 is equal to 0.2 upon 2 is equal to 0.1 centimeters. Solution. Let the length of wire be h centimeters. Since metallic sphere is converted into a cylindrical shaped wire of length h centimeter, volume of the metal used in the wire is equal to the volume of the metallic sphere. Therefore, pi r2 square h is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi r1 cube. Therefore, pi 0.1 square into h is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into 3 cube. Therefore, h is equal to 4 upon 3 into 27 into 100 is equal to 3600 centimeters is equal to 36 meters. Therefore, the length of the wire is 36 meters. Example 3. The dimensions of a metallic cuboid are 44 centimeter into 42 centimeter into 21 centimeter. It is molten and recast into a sphere. Find the surface area of the sphere. Solution. The dimensions of the cuboid are 44 centimeter into 42 centimeter into 21 centimeter. That is, length is equal to 44 centimeters, breadth is equal to 42 centimeters, and height h is equal to 21 centimeters. Volume of the cuboid is equal to L into B into H is equal to 44 into 42 into 21 is equal to 38,808. Since the metallic cuboid is molten and recasted into a sphere, volume of metallic cuboid is equal to volume of the sphere. let the radius of the recasted sphere be r centimeters. Then volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into r cube. 38,808 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r cube. Therefore, r cube is equal to 38,808 into 3 into 7 upon 4 into 22. Therefore, r cube is equal to 9,261. Therefore, r is equal to cube root of 9,261. Therefore, r is equal to 21. Therefore, surface area of sphere is equal to 4 into pi into r square is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 is equal to 5,544. Therefore, the surface area of recasted sphere is 5,544 centimeters square. Example 4. Find the number of coins of 2.2 centimeter diameter and 0.2 centimeters thickness that can be made from a right circular cylinder of height 0.2 and diameter 8.8 centimeters. Solution. Each coin is cylinder of diameter 2.2 centimeters. That is, radius R1 is equal to 2.2 upon 2 is equal to 1.1 centimeters and height H1 is equal to 0.2 centimeters. Therefore, volume of coin is equal to pi into R1 square into H1 is equal to pi into 1.1 square into 0.2. The right circular cylinder from which coins are made has diameter 8.8 centimeters. That is, radius R2 is equal to 8.8 upon 2 is equal to 4.4 centimeters and height H2 is equal to 0.2 meters, that is 20 centimeters. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi into R2 square into H is equal to pi into 4.4 square into 20. Number of coins that can be made is equal to volume of right circular cylinder upon volume of coins is equal to pi into 4.4 square into 20 upon pi into 1.1 square into 0.2 is equal to 4.4 into 4.4 into 20 upon 1.1 into 1.1 into 0.2 is equal to 4 into 4 into 100 is equal to 1600. Therefore, 1600 coins can be made from the given right circular cylinder. Let us solve exercise 6.8. Question 1. A cylindrical hole of diameter 30 centimeters is bored through a cuboid wooden block with side 1 meter as shown. Find the volume of the object so formed. Pi equals to 3.14. Solution. Diameter of cylindrical hole is equal to 30 centimeters. Radius is equal to 15 centimeters. Side of the wooden cube is 1 meter, that is 100 centimeters. Volume of object is equal to volume of wooden block minus volume of cylindrical hole. Volume of cube is equal to A cube is equal to 100 cube is equal to 10 lakh cubic centimeters. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is 3.14 into 15 into 15 into 100. Therefore, volume of cylinder is 70,650 cubic centimeters. Therefore, volume of the object is 10 lakh minus 70,650 is equal to 9,29,350 cubic centimeters. Number 2. A toy is a combination of a cylinder hemisphere and a cone, each with radius 10 centimeters. Height of the conical part is 10 centimeters and total height is 60 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the toy. Pi is equal to 3.14 root 2 is equal to 1.41. Solution. Radius of the cone is equal to 10 centimeters. Height of the cone is equal to 10 centimeters. Slant height is equal to root of the sum of the r square and h square is equal to root of 10 square plus 10 square is equal to root of 100 plus 100 is equal to root of 200. Curved surface area of the cone is pi rl. By substituting the values, we get 3.14 into 10 into root of 200 is equal to 3.14 into 10 into root of 2 into 100 is equal to 31.4 into square root 2 into 10 is equal to 314 into 1.41. Therefore, curved surface area of cone is equal to 442.74 centimeters square. Radius of cylinder is equal to 10 centimeters. Total height of cylinder is equal to 60 centimeters. Therefore, height of the cylinder is equal to 60 minus 10 is equal to 40 centimeter, as in hemisphere, height is equal to radius. Curved surface of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi rh. By substituting the values, we get 2 into 3.14 into 10 into 40. Therefore, cuboid surface of a cylinder is equal to 2512 centimeters square. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 10 centimeters. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. By substituting the values, we get 2 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. Therefore, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 628 square centimeters. Total surface area of the toy is equal to surface area of the cone plus surface area of cylinder plus surface area of hemisphere is equal to 442.74 plus 2512 plus 628. Therefore, total surface area of the toy is equal to 3582.74 square centimeters. Number 3. A cylinder of radius 12 centimeters contains water up to the height of 20 centimeters. A spherical iron ball is dropped into the cylinder and thus water level is raised by 6.75 centimeters. What is the radius of the ball? Solution. Radius of the cylinder is equal to 12 centimeters. Height of cylinder is equal to 6.75 centimeters. To find volume of water increased when sphere is dropped, we find volume of the cylinder with height 6.75 centimeters. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Therefore, by substituting the values, we get pi into 12 into 12 into 6.75. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to 972 pi cubic centimeters. Therefore, volume of sphere is equal to volume of water increased. Therefore, 4 upon 3 into pi r cube is equal to 972 pi. Therefore, r cube is 972 into 3 upon 4. Therefore, r cube is equal to 729. Therefore, radius of the sphere is equal to 9 centimeters.